Take command of the road in the 2016 Ford Explorer. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, speed-sensitive wipers, front and rear air conditioning, front fog lights, and power seats. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.